Welcome to my channel. This is Christine from Women's Devotionals. I hope everything is going well. I hope everyone is feeling a lot better. It's a new year, and let's talk about who your audience is today. I will answer these 3 questions for you. Watch this quick video until the end for my bonus tips. Yes, I put bonus tips in there in this video. So, who is your audience? Who and where is your tribe? Is everyone your customer? Those are the questions that I'm going to be answering in the video today. Who is my audience? The people who resonate with your message are the people you are trying to reach with your content. All right? Your target audience looks for your content on every platform. Yes, they are looking for you and you are looking for them. Not everyone is your tribe, so be very strategic on your reach. Your writing goes further when they know what your content is about and where you can be found. That means on every platform where your tribe is located, they're looking for your content that they're resonating with. They need to be able to find you. What platforms are you on currently? What platforms do you need to get established on? Do you have a website to house your content, your books, your devotionals, your journals, your ebooks, your contact information? Where can your tribe find you? Always remember that you are reaching out to specific people with your content. Everyone is not your audience. Understanding this is freeing and causes you to have a clearer focus on who you want to reach. So that means your tribe who resonates with your content is the only focus you need to have. You cannot reach the world because the world is divided into so many different categories. Everybody is not looking for what you have to offer. So once you narrow it down to those that resonate with your work, you now have found your tribe. You can rest. You found your tribe. Okay? Bonus tip number 1. One of the best platforms to look for your target audience is right here on YouTube. YouTube is owned by, drumroll please, Google. Find them while you are on here. That's where they'll be. Bonus tip number 2. When you want to grow your channel, use this link. It is free and it works. I can't stress enough how much this app works. This software works. I may get a small commission from it at no additional cost to you. So get started. Use my affiliate link below. I will also drop it in the description box as well. Okay? So, as always, if you found this channel and the information to be valuable, please click the bell so you won't miss next week's video. Comment what you want to see below. Check out the other links in my description. And we'll always remember, you matter. So I wish you the best. and everything that you do, especially in your writing. Now that you know that everyone is not your customer, you have a specific audience that will resonate with your content. You will have a better focus on finding your tribe. You know that you also need to be established on more platforms, especially YouTube. Yes, and I will put up a video on doing a channel for your books. So, as always, subscribe, ring the bell, share, like, comment if you have found value today. So, God bless. Be encouraged. I hope to see you back on my channel again. Leave a comment so we can collaborate if that's what you like to do. If you just want to talk, we can do that too. God bless. See you. Bye-bye.